In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the DNS server isn't responding issue here on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment down there. But there's two things that you can do. The first thing that you're going to want to do is click search at the very bottom of your screen. And from here, go ahead and type in view network connections and go ahead and hit enter. This is going to take you to a page that looks like this. And from within here, you're going to see your network adapter. If you're connected via Wi-Fi, go ahead and choose that. If you're connected through Ethernet, go ahead and choose that. But whatever it is, double click it and it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. What you're going to want to do is just scroll down a little bit on here until you do see the specific option for properties. Go ahead and select that and then it's going to take you to another page that looks like this. Scroll down on here until you see Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. It should look something like this. Essentially, select this and then double click it. And from here, go ahead and tick this to use the following DNS server address. For the preferred, go ahead and put in 8.8.8.8. And for alternate, go ahead and put in 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers and they are very reliable. From here though, simply hit OK and then hit OK one more time and finally close it. And that is it. Your internet should start working again and the DNS error should be fixed. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.